So, yeah, like, you got this tree. They're trying to take it down. You've obviously took a big chunk out of that one, and it comes up into a crook, and then it branches off, right? Okay, so I'm not sure what this moron inside the truck is doing, but he obviously didn't do a good job. I would climb up there, probably take off this one, shimmy that thing down, come over here, take off this one, have it tied to a rope, drop it down. Same thing with all this. Drop it down, drop it down. Then whenever you have this one, you measure it to see if cutting it right here as opposed to right here from that distance, it'll hit the house or not. There's ways to do this. And then you hear this guy in the background.